Understanding sign off in English. Hello there, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very interesting English phrase, sign off. It's a phrase that you might have come across in various contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. When we break down the words sign and off, it might be tempting to think of physically signing something and then removing it. But as with many phrases in the English language, sign off has a meaning that goes beyond the literal words. Historically, to sign off meant to approve or authorize something by signing one's name. Imagine a document that needs the manager's approval. Once the manager agrees, they would sign it. That act of giving approval was referred to as signing off. In today's digital age, the phrase, sign off, has evolved and is commonly used in a few different scenarios. 1. Emails and communication. At the end of an email or letter, when someone says, I'm signing off now, it means they're ending their message. 2. Approvals. Just like the historical context, in the modern workplace, if someone says, I've signed off on the project, it means they've given their approval for it to proceed. 3. End of broadcasts. In the context of radio or TV, when the broadcaster says they're signing off, it means they're ending the broadcast for the day. Understanding a phrase is even better when you see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. After reviewing the report, the director signed off on it, allowing the team to proceed. 2. It's getting late, and I'm tired. I'll sign off now and talk to you tomorrow, wrote Clara in her chat. 3. The radio host announced, that's all for today. We're signing off, but we'll be back tomorrow at the same time. And there you have it. Now you know the different meanings and uses of the phrase, sign off, in English. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like these can have varied meanings depending on the context. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning, and we'll sign off for now. See you in the next one.